Next question is from one of our viewers who's a pilot, and he considers himself to be in a perpetual state of travel. Every day he's traveling on the plane, long distances. And he's asking, is he exempted, therefore, from all fasts?
If a person's profession is such that he's a pilot, or if he's a sailor and he has to travel, and if he leaves his hometown and if he's gone away, so but naturally he's considered as a traveler. He's exempted from fasting, but he has to make up his fast before the next of Ramadan. So if he travels a lot, then he'll have to fast in the holidays, whatever holidays he gets, and when he's stationed in hometown. So if he does not want to fast, he's exempted because he's considered as a traveler, but he'll have to make up the fast as soon as possible before the next Ramadan. Unless he's traveling on a very long flight, maybe from India to New York, which is more than 12 hours. But if the flight is a short flight, I don't think so there'll be a problem.